How to do the lying side leg lift exercise correctly. 1. Lie on your side on a mat or soft surface. Stack your legs on top of each other, straight and extended. Align your head, shoulders, hips, and legs in a straight line. 2. Support your upper body. Rest your head on your bottom arm, fully extended, or prop your head up with your hand. Place your top hand in front of your chest for balance. Leg lift movement. 1. Engage your core to stabilize your spine. 2. Lift your top leg upward slowly, around 30-45 degrees, or as high as you can without tilting your hips. Keep the legs straight and toes pointing forward or slightly downward. 3. Pause briefly at the top. 4. Lower the leg back down with control. Don't let it drop. 2 to 3 sets of 12-15 reps per side. You can add a resistance band around the thighs or ankle weights to increase difficulty. Don't roll your hips backward. Keep your hips stacked vertically. Focus on control, not height. Keep both legs straight and maintain a neutral spine. Avoid swinging the leg. Slow, steady movement activates more muscles. Muscles worked. Primary, Gluteus Medius and Minimus, hip abductors. Secondary, Obliques for stabilization, Glute Max and TFL. Please check my next video.